So we added another seat. No, we didn't.
Alright, so to get to where the seat belts hook up, you have to come back here. This one had a little Velcro strip on the back. Took that apart. Had some clips along the bottom, took those out. Peeled this back. And there's the bolt that we need to get out. And it takes one of these little doohickeys. Then we got the seat belts put in. Right there, just lap seat belts. There's 3 of them.
This is our floor. It's just floor?
For a temporary floor in here, we're just going to use leftover carpet that we had from our house. And just until we get more permanent solution. Alright, so we got the carpet in here. Yeah, it's not perfect and it's not going to stay in here for very long. It's just mainly so that when the kids are out here messing around while I'm working on the van, they have some kind of padding to play on. Just one of those things. And that's what holds the cylinder in. Pop right out. Now we can replace that one. Power drill's in the other vehicle, which is not here right now, so I'm using this. So now, just gotta take the little clip out from behind here, just like we did on the other one, and then pop this out and clean it. Okay, so now our locks work on the back door, the side door, and now we have to free up the 2 lock cylinders on the front doors. Take a pair of vice grips and the key in there, just give it a few taps in both directions, back and forth. Now that I have it spinning, I'm going to sand off all the little rust that's inside there. And I'll lubricate it and put it back inside the car. Clean it out first, then we'll lubricate it. Okay, got it all cleaned out, packed it with some grease.